Hello fellow viewers, subscribers and friends, how are you doing? Today I'm gonna be doing the repairs that the Thunder needs. In the last BMX track I had some breakage, I bent the central drive shaft, I seem to have maybe some problem on the servo. I'm gonna investigate. I'm gonna replace this. I'm gonna see if I can repair the servo. And when I was around this, I also find out that I did break my new carbon fiber chassis reinforcement. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to salvage some of this to reinforce the stock system. So I'm gonna go back to the front piece that is stock, and I'm gonna put this like so. I'm gonna make 4 holes here. I'll put this in place. I'll mark the holes. I'll make 4 holes so I can attach screws here and make this stronger so it doesn't bend as easy. First I'm gonna start to change this center drive shaft, sorry. It's bent. You could bend it back, but I have a new one. I'm hoping it fits. Yeah, it's the same size, and this new one is an upgrade from this because it's thicker. It's a little bit thicker. Let's see if I have the tool to measure. The stock one is 5 millimeters thick, and this one is 6 millimeters thick, so 1 millimeter thicker, so it's stronger. I'll put the link down in the description for this part, alright, if you need one. So I'm gonna start installing this first. You push it that side so you can make space, and then you just push the chassis down and bend it so you can put the shaft in. So one repair done, new center drive shaft is in. It works. Also, I'll have to find a way, maybe red thread lock, to keep the screw for the fan not backing out. Alright, one repair done. Now I'm gonna drill this so I can mount this here on top, and I'll be right back to show you. Alright, center chassis reinforcement repaired. I used 4 80mm screws from top and on the bottom, although I made only 2mm hole, so the screws did make a thread into the carbon, but still, to make it more strong, I installed 4 2.5mm washers on the downside to keep it in place. And these are 2.5mm thick X screws. I think it will be much stronger. I hope it won't bend as easy. I'm hoping. We'll see. So next The only thing that I think it's already needs repair, it's the servo. I'm not sure what it is. I think it's the servo. Because it seems to jump here in a place. So he might have lost one teeth or two. So I'm gonna remove the servo to check it. And to do that, I'm gonna remove the servo arm. It can also be these teeth on the outside. Alright, I'm gonna remove the servo. It's 2 screws on the bottom. And I'll be right back. Clearly, there's something broke inside. So I'm gonna open the servo to see if I can figure out what's wrong. If I can salvage it. Because I don't have another servo to put in right now. So I want to repair this one. I'm hoping it's just a matter of turning the gears around. I'm hoping. Yeah, the problem is here. It's missing 3 or 4 teeth, so we'll be able to salvage it. Yeah, the teeth are in here, actually. There are the pieces that broke. I think that's it. So we'll be able to salvage this one, thankfully. We'll try it. This has some type of limiter here. Alright, so I cut that stopper. I turned the gear around. The smaller gear, I noticed, also had 3 or 4 teeth broken. That was not so good because I turned it around, but still one tooth in the end of the travel was not perfect, but we'll see. Yeah, it's working. Alright, nice. Although the small gear was not perfect, I managed to save it. So yeah, nice. I'm still gonna order a new servo to install here to have stock. So when this happens again, I will have one to put in. Alright, the last thing I had to do to repair this is also already done. which I put two nuts in here, so it holds this. I'm hoping it's not getting out anymore, but we'll see. Alright, everything's working now. Central drive shaft repaired. Central chassis reinforcement. Now it's upgraded with carbon and the aluminium on top, so it's much stronger now. This central drive shaft is also thicker than the original one, so that's stronger. The only thing that I didn't really upgrade was the servo. It's still the same, but it's the weak part now. I will upgrade it. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions on this repair or other repairs on this RC car or other RC cars that I have on my channel, please feel free to ask them in the comments. I will be more than happy to help you. Alright? Soon I will be install here a newer battery and show you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit that thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.